Hello guys, welcome to TechTube. Today we are going to see how to fix download pending error in Google Play Store, as it was an easy step to fix download pending error. Now let's see. First of all, go to setting option. Here you can see setting option, click it, and here you can see SIM card and mobile network setting is tab. Click the SIM card and mobile network setting. Jio and Vodafone is tab. I am using Jio network, so click Jio. Here you can see access point name is tab. Click the access point name, and it is in JioNet. So go to preferred network type. Yes, click it. Next, and check whether prefer is long-term evolution LTE. Yes. Then go back. Sometimes you can see that it will be in prefer 3G, or you can go to prefer LTE and go back and go to mobile network, this option, click it, and it is in manual. Now you want to click OK and wait for a couple of seconds. Yes, you can see now the available networks are here. You want to select your preferred network. Here you can see Cell 1, Reliance, Airtel, Idea, a lot of networks are available. So click your preferred network. I am using Jio, so I am clicking this. So it is, see now register on network is coming right now. So after that, go to Playstore and click YouTube. Click it, and here you want to click update. Now you can see it's loading right now. Now you can see it starts for downloading right now. So this is how to download pending error in Google Play Store. So this is how to fix it. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned to TechTube. Thank you.